you have a YouTube channel and you have a URL like something like this, which is a very text and very complicated channel, and it's very hard to remember, and also it's very hard to share with your friends or your followers or your colleagues and so on. To solve this problem, in this video, I want to give you a very shortcut way how you can actually create a YouTube handler for your channel so you'll be able to easily share with your colleagues. So that's why YouTube introduced called YouTube handler, and I'm going to show you very quickly so how you can create a John Masood Pervez handler for YouTube channel. You want that, right? So you have a better link to share with YouTube channel. So keep watching. Let's get started.
Sure. Thank you.
So let's give a big hand to these studio leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give them a big hand to them?
So now your URL is a very big URL with a lot of text, which doesn't make any sense. To solve this problem, the first thing we're going to do let's go to the next tab. You go to the YouTube channel, youtube.com/handle. You go straight to the URL. I'm going to put this URL in the description of this video so you can easily pick it up as well too. And then the very first thing is about all you need to do, come in, and you can actually click this change handle. And as soon as you change the handle, and you can click in it on, and the way you can choose the handle you have done. So I have created a handle already at John Masood Pervez, so I can easily do that. So you can type it on. As soon as you type it on, it will already show it to you is available or not. It's already been taken, and it will already show you that it's already been taken or not, because this will be an unique for you. So I'm gonna keep that one, cancel that one, and now as soon as you do that and you save it, immediately you will be able to get a URL here, and then you can click that one. So as I have created already, so I'm not going to change it anymore. So I'm come by and you put the link here, enter, and you can see that one. It goes straight to your channel. So now you don't have the really crazy URL anymore, youtube/@johnmasoodpervez.com, and you can tell this is your handle like Instagram, so people can easily find your YouTube channel. And that's how you can get a great boost of YouTube channel as well too, and you can easily share with your friends, colleagues, and viewers much easily too as well. You want to get another tips, go ahead and about YouTube to make your YouTube more exciting as well, to go ahead and watch this video right now. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because we always share great tips every week. One tips. Go ahead, click the right now. I will see you in the next video.